We started our ride from Lachin, a beautiful town which is the gateway to Gurudongmar lake. Hi guys, on the way to Gurudongmar lake, we just stopped here for a tea and some Maggie. It's bloody cold out here and I'm literally shivering, and we are currently at 12,000 feet above sea level. We have another around 35 kilometers to go to reach Gurudongmar lake, and we are getting some amazing views from here. I'll just show you how it is. You see that view, right? That's the moon over there. It's so clear. Only taxis and two-wheelers are allowed on the route to the lake. All throughout, it was just off-roading, which made our biking expedition even more thrilling. The last 15 kilometer stretch of the road was too good. As we were getting closer, the oxygen level was gradually decreasing and it was getting colder as we were gaining altitude. Riding on the empty road with clouds right in front of you and snow-clad mountains on either side was one of the best experiences. Finally made it to Gurudongmar lake, and it was an amazing adventurous ride actually. Last bit of stretch was a little difficult because Origin's bike got overheated, so we parked it like 2 kilometers down and both hopped into my Avenger and came all the way up to Gurudongmar lake, but it was worth the climb. The best part is that the lake is not frozen. After spending about an hour here, we headed back to Lachin. This place made me realize that our country indeed has some serene and beautiful places to go to. This expedition is something that I'm gonna cherish forever.